Good morning, मेरे यारो. After a long time, I'm talking to you, sitting on the same spot where I always sit. और मुझे अपडेट ये बताना था कि you must have seen the post from my Singapore trip, and after that trip, the moment I landed in Japan 2 weeks back, I got such a strong viral infection that entire time I was going through hospital and medication in Diwali. So I could not celebrate Diwali, being alone also and being not well also. But I'm hoping that I will be celebrating more grand way the Christmas, because here Christmas is Diwali. So I'll connect with you, all of you, and I thought I'm missing all of you, and I it's been such a long gap that I'm not able to talk to you the way I used to. But I'm hoping that I'll fill this gap which has happened in past 1 month. But thank you for loving me as always. Ciao. Good afternoon, mere yaro. After a really long time, I'm talking to all of you. So, as I mentioned previously, or probably I didn't mention, मेरी दिमागी हालत शायद थोड़ी सी ठीक नहीं, because I'm not well. See that this cough. After coming from Singapore, I have been unwell for 2 weeks, and it's been a very toughest time I'm facing right now. Also, I'm not fully recovered, but I have been having a very tough Diwali this time. I have been alone and not well, and that's the reason I couldn't get connected with all of you, and I was really missing all of you. You can see from my face I'm not looking the fresh the way I always look, constantly runny nose, and I couldn't even eat for 1 week. Whatever I was eating, I was throwing. Just 2 days back I started eating food. You can understand from my cough. But I've been missing all of you, and I'm still missing, and I've made some, after a long time I'm cooking and I'm eating something to make myself feel better. So I'll show you what I'm having for a lunch, and I'll stay connected with all of you. I'll not take such kind of breaks, but thanks for loving me. Ciao. My home and everything. So I have made this sabudana khichdi. I have soaked the sabudana and some boiled potato with green chili and groundnut powder, and I'm gonna add a salt because I haven't added salt yet. So I'm gonna eat this khichdi and this fruit for my well-being, this muskmelon fruit. So my week has been, both weeks have been really tough, mere yaro, and thank you, but you have kept patience, and you have still you are watching my post even if I couldn't post regularly. But I will not disappoint you in future. But thank you for your support, mere yaro. I love you, all of you. Bye. Ciao. It's Friday, but it's not like usual Friday, because as you know, as I told you in the last video, that after coming back to Japan from all my trips and very short duration and very last moment trips, I just fell ill, and I'm just surviving on adrak ki chai. So, oh my god, I forgot to add sugar in it. Anyways, have you experienced such kind of incident which I'm going to share with you? I want to know if you have experienced. ऐसे कभी होता है, like you wanted to talk to a person, something which you have been really holding back to share, and you are just waiting for the right time or right moment. You just want to build a moment and share. So have you experienced that? Because I'm since 1.5 month, there is something in my heart which I'm holding back so much, to the extent कि मैं बाकी कुछ भी कर नहीं पा रही हूँ. You will come to know what I'm holding, because I myself don't know how to say it, but I'm holding in my heart, and it's very important, very very important, and it's very serious also. And with the person I'm going to tell, that also, that person is also very serious. So the moral of the talk ye hai ki, have you experienced such kind of situation where you wanted to tell but you wait for the right time? Definitely this situation is not about the typical love kind of thing, but I can just say that it is very important situation. But ऐसी बात है, राज की, राज कह सकते हैं आपकी, आपको जो रिवील करना है बट आप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, ओके? तो मैं इतना कंज्यूम हो गई हूँ आज पूरा दिन भर, एंड आई वॉज ईटिंग हेड ऑफ माई लविंग सिस्टर अबाउट इट, एंड आई एम स्टिल, आई कुडंट डिसाइड व्हाट आई वांट. और मैं इतना हद तक कंफ्यूज हो गई कि मुझे ऐसे लगा कि मैं कैन आई डू अ टैरो टू अंडरस्टैंड. मतलब कभी कभी इंसान का दिमाग ऑफ होता है विथ सो मच थॉट्स, टू मच ओवर थिंकिंग. तो आप लोग क्या करते हो ऐसी सिचुएशन में कि व्हेन यू वांट टू शेयर और टेल something which you have been holding for a really long time and you are waiting for that moment, but you do get chance to share, but you don't do. So I'm struggling right now, and this is my Friday, and as I told you, I haven't still completely recovered. So yeah, can you hear my cough? So I'm just being kind with me, and that's the reason I'm not talking to all of you that much. So I'm sorry for that, but I am sure that I'm going to come back and I will be having a regular meethi baate with all of you. And I'm missing you, all of you. Ciao.